In this video, I'll put you through on how to add other currencies in your seller account so that when audience from United States or United Kingdom or other countries come in, they can purchase that your particular product in their own currency. Let's just get right into it. First is to launch your web browser. Visit seller.com and log in. You can see that seller.com. Then I'll click on login. I'm logging automatically because I save my login details on this browser. Okay. The next step is to click on this section. Okay. Here you have creator profile. If this is not selected, please select it. You may find yourself on customer profile section, but please go with creator or switch to affiliate profile if you're an affiliate marketer. All right. So that is that. Then the next step is to click on these three lines. On clicking on these three lines, scroll here until you get to settings. Click on these settings. Then scroll down on these settings options. You will see stock currencies. Here it is tagged improved. Okay. So click on that. On getting to this page, you will see so many currencies. Okay. By default, NGN is selected because I'm in Nigeria. So that stands for Nigerian currency, Naira. All right. I'm the one that picked this dollar so that it allow me to set dollar price for people in United States. All right. Then if you want to go with Great British pounds as well, maybe when you're setting up your product, it will allow you to set price as well in this currency. Please check this option as well as other currency abbreviations here. Okay, so once you're done with setting up the currencies, additional currencies, click on update details. You can go to the home page of your accounts. You can check out this video here to learn how to set up seller accounts and other customizations. Thank you and see you some other time.